Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in to the Temple Run game. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, if you haven't already installed the game, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then use the search box to search for the Temple Run game. After finding it, tap on the install button, and once the installation is completed, you can tap on the play button in order to launch the game. Now, once the game is opened up, you will see the play button and various other options as well. If you tap on the options menu, you will see the various different settings. However, there is no sign in or sign up feature, which means that all of your progress will be saved into your device only. You can simply tap on the play button and you can now start enjoying the Temple Run game on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into the Temple Run game on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.